mustard fields under a crimson sun. Sweet croon is coming from honeybees' mouth. White fog is taking a hold to see the fun, while crossing the fields from north to south. The sun is shining like a dim light over the head. The cultivators are walking slowly in the field of corn. Everything seems silent, peaceful and fade. Trees bow down their heads to welcome the coming morn. God has decorated the winter morning too much beautiful, with pleasant cool air to make the environment smother. The sky is covered with a huge grey sheet that is fanciful, like a scarf to protect and hide the beauty of mother. How beautiful is he who has created